Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data visualization with Power BI detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Power BI on your computer. Create a new report by selecting File and then New. Import your dataset by clicking on Get Data. Choose the data source that contains the information you wish to visualize. Load the data into Power BI by following the prompts. Once the data is loaded, navigate to the Data view to explore your dataset. Review the fields available and identify those relevant to your analysis. Switch to the Report view by clicking on the icon that looks like a chart. Select a visualization type from the Visualizations pane. Drag and drop the fields from your dataset into the visualization. Adjust the values and axis settings to fit your analysis needs. Customize the appearance of your visual by using the Format pane. Ensure your visualization conveys the intended story by checking clarity and coherence. Conduct a data sanity check by cross-referencing key figures with your original dataset. If discrepancies are found, revisit the data transformation steps or calculations. Consider using DAX formulas to create calculated fields for deeper insights. Use slicers and filters to allow dynamic interaction with the visualization. Test the interactivity by selecting various data points. Review your visualizations for both performance and responsiveness. When you're satisfied, save your report for future reference. Publish your report to the Power BI service to share insights with stakeholders. Regularly update your visuals as new data becomes available. Ensure you continuously validate your visuals against new data inputs. Document any changes made to the visualizations for future clarity. By following these steps, you can effectively verify data visualizations in Power BI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.